Hi guys, if you are new to eBay or you sold some items on eBay but eBay holds your money, then this video is all you need. I'm going to be showing exactly how I solved this problem and how long it took me and what I did and how this is really a bad thing. Okay, so first thing I want to tell you guys is eBay hold will affect everyone. Okay, anyone new to eBay with very low sales volume, they will experience this problem. Okay, so to get rid of this, what you need to do is to start getting more sales. Now this is not going to be be related to people who use eBay like one time every month, or they don't really use it regularly, like, if that makes sense. They use it only sometimes. This is not going to be a solution for you. Okay, if you are selling on eBay for like 2 times a year, then sorry, this video is not for you because it's not going to help you at all. But if you are using eBay for business, you are selling products or drop shipping, and you want to get rid of eBay hold, what you guys need to do is you need to sell more items, at least 100 items. Okay, now this is like a very high number. Now once you sell 100 items and you upload the tracking number and the customer received their items, then immediately, whenever now you receive a sale, the money will be released to you immediately within 24 hours. Okay, it's not going to release it to you immediately, but it's going to take 24 hours. But 24 hours is way better than waiting 1 month for your eBay money, so that you can use it to ship the product to the buyer, or to pay the supplier. Or because I've been drop shipping on eBay for like 5 years, so I know exactly, guys, how you can get rid of this. Focus on one thing, which is getting more sales. Make sure you ship the products in time, and eBay just want to get to have a good relationship with you. Okay, because there are a lot of scammers that use eBay for the reason, like, for example, they just want to scam people. They don't send the items in time. Okay, so yeah, that's exactly why eBay holds your money. So just keep listing more products, get sales, and then once you start getting more sales, like I said, 100 products, and then eBay will remove the hold from your eBay, and then you will start receiving payments immediately. Okay, also when your customer receives the item, make sure you contact them and say something like, leave a feedback for you. That helps a lot. That helps you even if you don't sell 100 items. Like the moment like the tracking number shows delivered to the customer, eBay will release your money. We do it even if you are new to eBay. So just in case you want to receive money, just make sure you ship the product in time, and then the customer receives the item, and then eBay releases the money within 6 days. Okay, it's not immediately, but it's better than waiting again like 45 days. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below, ask me any question. I reply to everyone. Okay, just go to the comments below, and see you guys next video. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.